Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I welcome to all tech enthusiasts and future AI wizards. Welcome to this exciting video where we are diving into an incredible opportunity coming your way. From February 17th to 23rd, 2025, DataCamp is hosting its AI Access Week, offering free access to all of its AI courses, including the converted associate AI engineer track. Whether you are beginner looking to dip your toes into the world of AI or a seasoned pro aiming to level up your skills, this is an event you won't want to miss. So what is DataCamp? Before we jump into the details of this amazing offer, let's take a moment to introduce DataCamp for those who might not be familiar with this powerhouse of online learning. DataCamp is a leading online learning platform specializing in data science, analytics, and AI education. What sets of DataCamp apart is its user-friendly interface and interactive learning approach. Instead of just watching videos, you will be interactively coding and solving real-world problems right in your browser. The platform offers over 400 covering a wide range of topics from Python and R programming to advanced machine learning and AI techniques. Whether you are a complete novice or looking to sharpen your skills, DataCamp has something for your everyone. So you can see this is the interface, DataCamp interface. So by in order to access all those courses, you need to log in using your Google login credentials or Gmail credentials, or if you have LinkedIn account, so using those LinkedIn credentials you can access, or also you can use a Facebook and Apple ID. So if you don't have any account existing ID with themselves, so in order to do that you need to click on the get started and register yourself to access all those courses. So everything is showing over here. The courses are free from 17th to 23rd of February, and whatever those skills you will learn it also mentions over there. By navigating to the bottom of this course, you can see all the courses you will be learning throughout this period. Everything mentions over here. By clicking on this course, you will navigate to the course portal, and over there you can get an opportunity to learn these courses. So benefits of enrolling courses uh, from DataCamps are, you might be wondering, why should I choose DataCamp for education? Well, it is a beginner friendly approach which always carry forward through this learning portal. So DataCamp is renowned for its ability to make complex topics accessible to beginners. These courses are designed to ease into the world of AI. Even if you have zero prior knowledge, so you can also use these courses and enhance your skill sets. So they also provide interactive learning approach. You can say goodbye to passive learning. DataCamp courses combine short video lessons with hands-on, including exercise. This means you are not just watching, you are doing, which is crucial for mastering AI concepts. So they also provide comprehensive course offerings from basic programming to advanced AI techniques. DataCamp is all. You will find courses on Python or machine learning, deep learning, and even cutting edge topics like natural language processing and generative AI. So here we can see, by navigating to the down of this website, everything I have mentioned you can see already showing over here. So all the FAQs are also mentioned over here. So when the freebies will start and when it will complete, everything is mentioned over here. So you can click on the plus button and you can see all the details are mentioned over here. For your convenient, I also opened another website like FAQ section in the what's new options over here. By navigating to this website, you can also access all those details like when the free access website will be opened and what are the courses will be provided under this freebies option like ChatGPT, generative AI, LLM for AI for business, ML ops, and more. Everything will be provided absolutely for free. And not only that, after completing this course, you can see AI certifications will be provided, which you can showcase to your potential employer for your better visibility to get a job and or internships or something like that. And you can see everything, every frequently asked questions is mentioned over there. And on top of that, you will need not to be provide any kind of credit card or any kind of purchasing information, related information need to them provide need to them in this purpose. So everything will be absolutely free for this particular time period. And all FAQs, frequently asked questions, are provided in these sections. You can uh, click on this link. I will provide this link into the description section of this video, where you can navigate through this link and you can access all those questions whichever coming in your mind. So then we come to the conclusion of this video. To wrap up things up, DataCamp's AI Access Week is an incredible opportunity to jumpstart or advance your AI career with free access to all AI courses, including the Associate AI Engineer track, certifications, and projects. You are getting a comprehensive learning experience at no cost. DataCamp's interactive platforms, expert-led courses, and flexible learning options make it an ideal choice for anyone interested in AI. Regardless of their current skill level, this platform focus on the practical hands-on learning ensures that you are not just gaining theoretical knowledge but also ability to apply AI concepts in real-world scenarios. Don't miss on these chances to level up your AI skills. Set a reminder for February 17th, 2025 and get ready to dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence with DataCamp. So by click on this website, I will provide the link in the description section of this video, and navigating to the catalog section, you can see all those courses are provided over here, whichever I have mentioned earlier. And by the click on the certification options, there are also AI fundamentals, data literacy, and every certifications are provided over here. After completing this certification, you will get this kind of certificate which you can showcase in your portfolio or your resume or your LinkedIn profile. So that's all about today's video. I hope you have enjoyed this course, and if you find this video helpful, please share with your friends, colleagues, and people surrounded by you, so that they can also access this course and enhance their AI skill sets in 2025. Thank you for watching.